Let's update Proxmox Datacenter Manager from version 1.0 to the latest 1.1 series. Let's get started. Alright, we've got our updates loaded up, so let's go ahead and update Proxmox Datacenter Manager to version 1.1. Hit the upgrade button, answer yes, and let it do its thing. Alright, so the error you're seeing on screen is just a UEFI error, but we're not using UEFI, so it doesn't really matter. We're going to go ahead and quit out of the terminal. We'll reload, and we are in fact at version 1.1.1. In a future video, we'll have to explore a little bit what is different, and at this point, given some of the new features that they've added, such as being able to manage subscriptions here across all of the nodes, I think it's going to be time that I move this to a separate physical machine rather than having it running on top of Proxmox VE. So if you've got thoughts about that, let me know down in the comments. But I think there's a different approach that I need to be looking at, and hopefully we can keep things going. I'm going to add my notes here. That way I at least know what's going on when I look at this next. And yeah, we'll have to take a look at some of the different pieces of Proxmox Datacenter Manager and whether I'll even keep it at all. So, food for thought, subject for another video.